Hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Kumar Verma. Today, I'm gonna show you how to deploy an application via via virtual machine. I would like to share the questions which has been shared with us. Here are the few requirements which we are going to do on our this video. We are going to create three virtual machines, in which one virtual machine will have to install web server. In the other virtual machine, we'll have to install the database, and then we need to create a dummy web application to insert a data record into the database and display it and demonstrate the web application is accessible from the third VM and the host system web browser. And these are this what we need to perform: showing the network configuration of all the VMs, accessing the web application from VM role number 3, and accessing the web application from host applications. So these are the requirements currently as we have right now. So I have downloaded all the libraries and the software components well in advance, because it will take around 30-40 minutes to download and install all the um, software components. We have taken as PHP applications to run our. We have taken as Apache as a web server and MySQL as a database, and we are building a PHP web applications. So let me walk you through the virtual box and let you know the network configurations. So here is my virtual box where I have already created. This is G23 AI2112. This is the first VM. G23 AI2112 VM2 is third second VM, and this is third VM. So in first VM we need to install the Apache web server. In the second VM we need to install the database, and in third VM we need to access the link of the Apache web server of VM1, and then see if our applications are being recorded, or whatever applications we are entering that has been recorded in the VM2. In this database it is updated. So let me tell you the configuration. So if we go on VM1, go for settings, and in that settings, if I see here advanced description, then system, I have assigned 4096 as 4 GB of base memory. Then I have taken network configuration. If I say, so first for adapter 1 I have network attached to NAT, and NAT configuration, if I go in advanced, so I have made it to Prometheus mode as deny, and in adapter 2 I have selected as host only adapter and name as virtual host only Ethernet adapter. In advanced I have Prometheus mode, I have allowed all it. So this is the network configurations for the virtual machine, and all the virtual machines are almost having the same network configurations. So let me take you to the virtual machine one. In this virtual machine where we have downloaded Apache, so I'll tell you first. Let me restart Apache and then show you how the application is working. So here is the terminal. In this terminal we'll just restart Apache. Okay, and if we see here, Apache has been restarted, and we'll just take one more. We'll open one more command from terminal window. In this terminal window we'll see what is the IP. So here is ifconfig is the IP. With this we'll get the details. So our IP is 192.168.56.101. In this 192.168, so by default it goes with uh, 127.0.0.1. So if we go by here, it should load Apache. So our Apache is loaded. Now, uh, now I will go to VirtualBox 2 to demonstrate or start MySQL server here. So in this uh, VM2, we are going to uh, show the database connectivity, how we are handling it, and also here we'll say what is the IF means IP address for this. So IP address for this is 102, and here we have already taken means here we have already inputs of some few entries which we have made, and then we are trying to access this via, let us just check, 192, this is 101, this is our first application. So here we can see that the application is running fine from my local host machine. If I put an entry like Dinanath and Din, Dinanath at the rate 123 and put an entry add user, add user. So in my first Apache service is running, and here it is written Dina, and then if I go back and check in the next means in VM2, uh, I'll see the entries which I have made in my local system, local host machine. So accordingly, accessing network config, accessing web application. So in third VM, it is currently not working because of the other uh, because of the limitations of the machine, my host machine. Due to that, third VM is not. But accessing the web application is done from the my local host machine. So that's all, guys, from my end. If anyone needs some information onto this and how it has to be done, you can definitely reach out to me anytime. Thank you. Bye bye.